Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Silvega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope, Cancer, June 21 to July 22. Today is Sunday, July 14, 2024. It is all about the surprises of traveling, an unplanned journey to other places. You will have to travel outside of your country or outside of your locality, and you will be surprised about it because this will be unplanned. Ang ating pong horoscope ay may kinalaman sa mga sinasadyang biyahe o paglalakbay. Hindi mo nga ito inaasahan, subalit darating din ito sa mga araw na ito. Maaaring malayuan o hindi naman talaga malayong-malayo.